This is Orrie. What's the name of the business?
Simko Motor Cars.
Simko Motor Cars. He drove this thing. He's going to open the hood for us. It's a flathead 4. He drove it yesterday.
Yep, drove it around the building, trailered it here, but took it around the property, put it in high gear.
Yeah, he pulled a business card off, and I'm like, is that your car? I just figured it was one of the collection out here because the gentleman that owns this mall has 400 cars here, so I just figured that was one of them. This is his. Tell him what you do.
I'm an antique car dealer. I buy, sell, and do consignments occasionally. This car actually lives with me, but belongs to a client.
It lives with you?
It does. We actually keep it at the house, not even at the warehouse.
I just spoke to somebody who calls them rescues. I thought that was hilarious. Like, you know, dogs are rescues.
Absolutely.
But also cars are. I learned that here at the Classic Auto Mall.
Absolutely.
So tell them what you're looking for.
Buy, sell, a lot of anything from barn find to shiny. Do a lot of E-types.
Barn find to shiny.
XK120 Jags, Mercedes SLs, Rolls, Bentley, and we pay finder's fees. So if you call up with a car and it comes through, certainly take care of you.
Here's a money-making opportunity for you guys out there that know of somebody with a Bentley or actually owns a Bentley and is watching Mustang Medic, which is very rare. Tell them how they contact you. Is a website?
Best contact would be my email, which is my first name, Orrie, O-R-R-I-E, my last name, Simko, S-I-M-K-O, @gmail.com. Cell number is 860-782-1554. And if you want to follow us, we do Facebook, Instagram, and you can go on to Hemmings.
Go Instagram first.
Instagram.
Give them the Instagram account. Just ignore that pop-up from
Certainly.
out there.
It's Simko Motor Cars, or you can just look up my first name, which is Orrie Simko. We're under both.
So obviously he's putting himself out there. If you guys are serious, call him. If you're not serious, don't call him. And you know, we're all out here loving on cars. Anything rare.
It's gonna be a good day.
We drew a good day, exactly. Oh, and I'm not going to mention that Shelby steering wheel again.
Jeez.
I know.
Here?
Did I tell you?
No.
I'll tell you in a second. I already told them. All right, we're gonna look at the 4, and he's gonna open the hood on this. What year is it?
1906 Ford Model K.
We are walking back in time 110 years ago, right now.
Check it out.
Right. All right, here we go. Here's the flathead 4.
Actually,
it's a 6. Is it 6?
Yeah.
When were you gonna tell me that? I've been
6
saying 4.
I didn't want to correct you on that.
Well, now you just did, but it's okay.
6-cylinder, 405 cubic inches.
Oh my God! Look at that. And it's got the patina.
It does.
That's what we're always looking for.
Absolutely.
But guys, if you got something with patina and it's clean and it's not clean, it can be dirty and rusty, don't do anything to it. Leave it original for the value.
Absolutely.
Collectors want original stuff. They do not want it painted, cleaned, or sanded, or blasted, or media blasted.
Original cars are tough to come by.
Yeah, and it's called provenance, is what I call it.
Absolutely.
And this is an example. This is an example of provenance. Look at that, 1906 6-cylinder. The cylinders are just sitting out there by themselves. Isn't that amazing? Oh, dual plugs. Dual plugs.
Yep. Oilers up top if you need to prime it to get it going.
No way.
Yeah.
Love it. I love
the oiler right here. It pumps it all through. And
this is clean. This is very clean. You had that redone, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The car was restored though in about the 80s.
Look at the belts on it. Look at it's got a chain for the fan.
Isn't that wild?
That is wild. That is so cool.
It is fitted with electric start, but I've cranked to friends, and boy, when they're cold, it is.
You cranked it?
Not this one.
You
got to
be careful. You break your arm. I've heard on some of those things.
Yep. You got to do it right. But it's a.
How do you do it right? Tell them if you're cranking a car, how do you do it right?
Well, you got to feel it and you got to check the timing. But the big thing is you don't want to put your thumb around it. So if it does kick back, you can let go of it, and not be stuck and get you.
You might have just saved somebody's arm with this tip. That's a public service announcement.
Absolutely.
All right, so guys, there it is. Don't step away. Okay. Don't step away. Be proud.
I love this car.
All right. I appreciate it.
Absolutely.
All right, guys, send them some love, MustangMedics.